Welcome again. So in this session, we are going to discuss about how to save Excel file or you can say Excel data. We will learn here that how to save the Excel file in different formats apart from Excel also, like a PDF or previous version of Excel file or a separate comma separated file, CSV file, or some of the different file formats. So let's see how it's going to work. To save a file, we need to go to File, and then you can see we have option Save and Save As. Now, some people are confused about this option, Save function. Save function is used for first time. If you are going to save the file in a similar format, same format that as you have already saved it, then you can use Save function. It will not ask you where to save it. But if suppose I want to save this file into different data format, even into different file format, then we need to choose Save As function. Save As function always save the file in the same or any different format you want to save it. Like if we go to save, here we can find three options like this PC, or you can browse your PC, the locations where you want to save it. Even you can use this add a place where you can save the files on a server, company server, maybe SharePoint, or maybe some other locations, or Drive, we can save these options. However, here in this session, we are going to discuss about only saving the file in our personal desktop or PC. So click on browse, it will ask you the locations, and here you can define the file name. Let's say I say Excel test. Okay, Excel saved file. I just write some name. What the name of the file, I can try it. Now it will ask you to save as a type, like what type of file you want. By default, the Excel will use XLS and X. SLX, SLS and X. This is the newly format after 2010 version. Before that, it was the older version like 97 to 2003 workbook. XLX version was working. So if you want to save the file into the old version of XLX, then you can use this option. Else, automatically the Excel will save this into the current version of XLX, XLS and X version. Here, if I want to select this one, again it will ask me to choose the file. I can select the desktop, let's say Excel video, or I can choose my desktop wherever I want, or I can choose any folder where I need to save this file into the previous version. Previous means before, you can say only in XLS version, XLX version only. Okay, if I need to save the file into more version like CSV format or macro enabled data. Macro enabled data we will learn in our future sessions. We will learn about macros also little bit. So in that macros, the file will work into macro enabled only, or 97 to 2003 Excel file where XLX version will be used. Even you can use this as a template if you are creating some kind of forms, templates for your organization, and you do not want to create again and again, then you can just create one forms or templates or any bills, invoices, something like that you want to create. Simply create it and save it as a template so that whenever you will open your new Excel file, you can use the same template to process and to enter your data. Other than that, we have same like 97 to 2003 templates are there. Plus we have CSV formats. CSV formats are generally used for some different softwares. Like if I'm using some scheduling tools like Primavera, if I'm using some scheduling tools or designing tools like Revit or some Civil 3D file, then we need the CSV format, okay, to upload the data into that Civil format for entries. Else, even you can use the PDF version of the same file to save your file, which can be used for saving the file and sending the file to PDF format, which can be technically non-editable. Normally, you know that Excel can be editable. Anyone having Excel file, they can open. But most of the people, like say mobile version or something, they may not have the Excel. Then the PDF is widely used for sending your reports and sending your data. Okay, so this is how we use this save function into different formats of Excel. I'm just showing you one PDF format where I will use this one and save this file into PDF on my desktop or into the folder which I create. Let's say I have created one Udemy class, and in this Udemy class I'm going to save this file. okay, as a PDF format. So this file will be saved into PDF format of my Excel file, which can be later on used, or you can see it. Otherwise, normal Excel file will work for you. So with this, we'll complete this session and see you again in the next session with some interesting topic. Till then, thank you.